Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 8th. Market analysis. On Monday, the global financial market plunged into a slump. With a full-scale opening of the trade war, market pessimism spread around the world. The spot gold market fell sharply again yesterday, reaching a minimum of $2,956.56 per ounce. The U.S. market rebounded slightly at the end of the session and finally closed at $2,982.01 per ounce. After the opening of the Asian early trading market this trading day, the market continued its rebound pattern at the end of the U.S. market, and it is currently fluctuating within the range and currently trading at around $3,002 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a low shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $29.90 to $30.06, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,006 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 30.16 to 30.26. If the afternoon market breaks 2,996 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 29.86 to 29.76. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.0898 to 1.0981. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.0981 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1030 to 1.1060. If the afternoon market breaks 1.0898 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.0860 to 1.0820. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the main decline mood on the hourly chart, and it is in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.2706 to 1.2795. If the market breaks 1.2795 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.2840 to 1.2880. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2706 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.2640 to 1.2600. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a low level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.5979 to 0.6063. If the market breaks 0.6063 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6100 to 0.6150. If the afternoon market breaks 0.5979 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.5940 to 0.5900. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 147.25 to 148.17. If the market breaks 148.17 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 148.60 to 149.00. If the afternoon market breaks 147.25 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 146.70 to 146.20. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.